Imagine a destination where your academic dreams intertwine with an unforgettable cultural experience. Australia, with its robust education system, is that destination. But to ensure the integrity of this system, Australia has implemented a genuine student requirement for student visa applications. This requirement is not just a formality, it's a thorough assessment process that ensures only those truly committed to their education and future prospects are granted visas to study in Australia. The process begins with an examination of the applicant's circumstances in their home country or country of residence. Immigration officers seek to understand the reasons behind the applicant's decision to study in Australia, particularly if similar study programs are available closer to home. Next, the officers evaluate the financial capacity of the applicant to support their studies and living expenses while in Australia. This includes assessing bank statements, scholarship awards, and any sponsorships the applicant may have secured. Once the financial assessment is complete, attention shifts to the applicant's academic background and qualifications. Immigration officers review transcripts, diplomas, and any standardized test scores to ensure the applicant meets the requirements of their chosen study program. The officers then shift their attention to the applicant's potential situation in Australia. This involves an assessment of the chosen course and education provider, the applicant's previous academic experience and qualifications, and the feasibility of their planned living arrangements and financial situation. But it doesn't end there. The genuine student requirement also focuses on the value the chosen course holds for the applicant's future. It's crucial to ensure that the course aligns with the applicant's education level and career aspirations. This involves considering potential employment opportunities and the expected benefits after graduation. The final piece of the puzzle is the applicant's immigration history. Officers scrutinize the applicant's visa and travel history for Australia and other countries, along with any previous visa applications, refusals, or cancellations. By meticulously evaluating these factors, immigration officers ensure that only genuine students committed to their education and future prospects are granted visas to study in Australia. This rigorous process helps maintain the integrity of Australia's education system and fosters a vibrant community of diverse learners. For those seeking further information or looking to embark on a unique educational journey in Australia, the Australian government's official website is the best place to start. And with that, we conclude our deep dive into Australia's genuine student requirement. We hope this has given you valuable insights into this process and what it seeks to achieve. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep dreaming big.